Beabish buddies. It's cold this morning, but it's Friday, so that means we're going to go to the Crossroads Market today. Are you done, Mavis? Come on. Let's go. You know the drill. Yep, open the door. Girl, good goat. Good goat. Here's a half a scoop of feed. Well, now we got the main herd fed. Now we just got to go bottle feed. Now all our morning chores are done, and me and Sarah are going to go on our Friday adventure. Well, we got our produce. These produce boys are ramping up for spring, it looks like, around here. They're quite busy. The worst part is I sit in this truck all day some days, and I just long for home, do work at home. So that's the goal. That is what we're aiming towards. But for now, we got to keep the wheels turning, keep the money coming in, and maybe those dreams will come true one day. So I deliver shavings, these baled shavings, to local farmers around the valley here. Come here, you big one-horned wonder goat. You stink. Hey, buddy, you stink. I can't believe that horn didn't fall off yet. You got a piece of wood stuck in it, buddy. You want to get that wood out of your horn? Dude, you're rough on equipment. You stinky old billy goat. Hey, you stinky old billy goat. Let me get it. This is the sire to our kids coming. He was headbutting the house the first night we had him. I slept on the porch while he was there. Let me get it, you big booger. Yeah, Sarah was washing dishes one day, Saturday. Look at that, I got it out. And he was headbutting the basement door. She called me screaming, "This thing's gonna bust in the house. Oh my gosh." Yeah, he did. Oh, you stinky booger, you. It's got a whiffer. Your horns are all boogered up, aren't they, buddy? Hey, I guess it's not loose. It was loose when you were at our house. He makes cute kids. Don't touch me, you stink. There's 2 delivered with the truck, and I'm gonna go home, grab my big trailer, and go deliver 6 to somebody else before 4 o'clock. Get back, you big ogre. Hey, look, apple. A little muddy. It's still good. I promise. Don't bite me. Don't bite me. Now don't be taking little nibbles. Take the thing. Is it good? Now look, here come all your friends. Where's Jem? Jem! Come here, Jem. I know you're not Jem. Now, watch them big lips. Watch them big lips. You got it? Good boy. If we ever have space, I wouldn't mind having some of these big ogres. They make me feel small, and that takes something.